तो हमारे साथ एक और पोएट है जिनसे हम कुछ पोएट के बारे में जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो दी, आपका नाम क्या है?
समन रिजवी।
समन दी, आप हमें ये बताइए कि पोएट्री से आप क्या समझते हैं?
Poetry is the expression of life overall. You want to express about pain, sorrow, happiness, joy, the spirit of life in the slice of life that you can put into words and people can relate to it.
Now, what is the relevance of poetry in the contemporary scenario?
Poems can do a lot. I mean, they can spark revolutions. They can still give hope to people who are desperate. It can ignite the basic, essential human emotions. And in the dark times, you need them. So I think in the contemporary situation, poems are as necessary as oxygen.
Interesting. Now, how do you see the future of poetry?
With so many avenues coming up and sponsorship coming up, people are able to express themselves better, and they do not require any canonical channel to express themselves. They can even express themselves through social media and maybe creating a page or something. So I believe the digitalization has also led to the democratization of the entire genre.
And what kind of genre you're interested in?
I write whatever comes to me naturally. There is no genre I go after, but yeah, the communal harmony is one thing that I focus on. Even my short stories are related to that only, and my poems also, most of them are related to communal harmony.
You talked about short stories. Do you have any book related to short stories?
No, I do not have a book published yet. I have two stories that have been published online, one in the Bombay Review and the other, I don't remember the name, the Literary Yard, yes. So both of the poems are about the marginalized section and how different communities come together and the issues of them.
You talked about communal harmony and marginalization. Is there a specific reason why you choose these two subjects for writing your poetries and stories?
Yes, I think that the current times calls us for giving special emphasis and attention to that part, because as we see, the sea and the ocean of hatred is on rise and the bigotry is on loose. So I think to combat them, we need to have stronger boundaries with all these things.
Thank you. It was an insightful interview. Thank you very much.